Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah, and in this video, I want to do a quick review over the key test concepts you want to know about condoms. And as always, don't forget to access the free quiz that will test you on this material. So let's get started. There are two main types of condoms. You have the male and female condoms. Now, some general guidelines that you want to remember about these is that first up, there's no prescription that is needed. They provide pregnancy and STI protection. However, one thing I want to know about the STI protection is that the natural skin condoms do not provide that, which we'll talk a little bit about here in a moment. They're also for single use, so once you use them, you're done with them. You have to get a new one. You want to store them carefully, like in a cool, dry place, not in your car or in your pocket. Also, they expire, so always check the expiration date. In addition, you want to never use a male and female condom together, and they're hormone-free. So now let's look at these individually, with first being the male condom. How does it work? Well, it's a sheath that goes over the penis and blocks sperm from entering the vagina. It also helps protect against most STIs. Now, there's different materials that these condoms can be made out of. They can be made out of latex, polyurethane, or natural skin from animals. In addition, those natural skin type condoms, they do not provide STI protection. And the reason for this is because they have these itty bitty little holes where viruses or bacteria could go through, leading to a potential STI. However, those holes are small enough where sperm cannot go through, hence providing that pregnancy protection. And if there is a latex allergy, polyurethane condom types can be used. However, you want to remember if a latex condom is being used, oil-based lubricants cannot be used because it could break down the integrity of the condom. Instead, water-based lubricants could be used. Now let's talk about the things you need to remember for exams. First up is the application of the male condom. You want to make sure that the air is being pinched out of the tip of that condom and then it's being rolled down to the base of the penis. And then during withdrawal, it's important that the rim of the condom is held so the condom does not slip off or leak. Now let's talk about female condoms. How do they work? Well, they are typically a nitrile sheath that lines the vagina to prevent sperm from entering the cervix. Now, what are some key things to remember for exams? First up is application. So it's important that you squeeze that inner ring and then insert it into the vagina. And it can be inserted up to 8 hours before intercourse. And then with withdrawal, it's important that you twist that outer ring before actually pulling out. Doing this will help prevent leakage. Okay, so that wraps up this review. Now, if you're taking maternity nursing and you need more resources to help you study, I have this book you can get in digital format at nursesarah.com or a paperback copy on amazon.com.